In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a software installation failed error in Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. First, go here and type Task Manager. Now, what you need to do here is see the name of the software that you're installing, and if you see it here, just right-click and End Task. You need to exit it from here. Make sure it's not opened in the background either. Exit it by clicking End Task. And then go to details and do the same. If you ever see the name of the software you're installing, just right click and then click End Process Tree. Once you do this, you want to go here to Registry Editor. Actually, not Registry, but Services. Go to Services. So here, under Services, you'll go and find the Windows Update. So find Windows Update. It should be over here. This is Windows Update. Click on it and then make sure it's set to automatic and then click apply and OK. Start the service and then click apply and OK. If you have the service already started, then you'll see a restart button. Make sure you click restart, so just to restart the service. So once you do this, you can just close this down and then you'll go to CMD, run as administrator, and then here you'll write the following command. So type dism /online, clean up image, restore health, and then press enter. And then the next command, sfc /scan now, then wait for it to finish loading, and after it's done, you need to restart your computer and then try to restart the program, and hopefully it should work.